How to read messages without blue ticks on WhatsApp. Let's get started. On WhatsApp, blue tick means the message has been read. If you don't want others to know you have read their message, there are few simple tricks to bypass it. Let me show you how. First, open the WhatsApp. Tap onto the three dots to open the setting. Here, tap on Privacy. Now, you will be able to see the Read Receipt option. Toggle it off. Next is using the airplane mode. When you get a message, don't open the WhatsApp chat yet. Turn on airplane mode, open WhatsApp and read the message. Then close WhatsApp completely. Turn airplane mode off. The third is using the notification preview. You can just read your message from your notification panel or lock screen preview. No need to open the WhatsApp at all. No blue tick marks will appear unless you open the actual chat. And that's how you read WhatsApp messages without blue tick marks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.